Political parties faced off with the Electoral Commission over the exclusion just weeks shy of the 2024 polls. Arise South Africa says it complied with its duty to submit, but it is prepared to accept that an administrative error is the possible reason behind the IEC not receiving its regional lists, further arguing that such an error does not trump their rights.
For the purposes of this argument, we accept that they may not have received. And therefore, they obviously, then if they didn't receive, they wouldn't send us an email saying we have received. So that goes without saying. But what we're saying, Justice Shongo, is this. On the facts as they stand, the test that is in the section doesn't say that the IEC must receive. It says we must submit. And we're saying we have submitted, and we're saying to prove that we have submitted, Mr. Dagada says so under oath, we put 750,000 and we put the 50,000 signatures, and the IEC did not tell us anything on the 18th, and on the 26th they told us that we are actually on the national list.
The IEC, however, argued that the evidence shows that the Commission did not have a regional candidate list for Arise South Africa.
So the Commission says, here, I have the evidence. I have the audit trail showing you submitted national list, 9 provincial lists. I have the emails that the system sent to you for those 10 lists that you did submit. I have no emails for any of the regional lists.
Meanwhile, Operation Dudula found itself disqualified due to what it terms as a technical error, which it claims to inform the IEC about, just minutes before the 8 March submission deadline. Operation Dudula is asking the Specialist Court to grant an order that the Commission must take steps to ensure that Operation Dudula is able to participate in the elections as per the statutory obligation in Section 28, Subsection 1 of the Electoral Act.
If you take the right, if you now disenfranchise Operation Dudula on a technicality such as the present one from participating in the elections, then you're eventually disarming the electorate who intended voting for Operation Dudula from exercising their right, because now they have to now take their vote somewhere where they might not want to, or they might have to withhold their right. So we would submit that, we make this point very much aware that the IEC has not even attempted to answer this case, but we make the submissions alive to the fact that we bear the onus and the obligations to demonstrate to this court that the manner that we had submitted still meets, still achieves the purpose, which was to submit the candidate list.
The Specialist Court also heard challenges from the Cape Independent Party, Defenders of the People, and the Independent South African National Civic Organization. Canny, Maphanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.